Hello, and welcome to my Slow English podcast. If you want to learn English fast, this video is for you. Just listen and try to understand. Today, I want to talk about exploring new cities. I love visiting new places. Every city has its own sound, smell, and feeling. Walking through a new city always makes me curious and excited. Do you like visiting new cities? Tell me in the comments. When I arrive in a new city, I look around and feel everything is new. The buildings, the people, and the air. Sometimes I feel a little lost, but it's a good feeling. Getting lost helps me discover new things. Do you enjoy discovering new places alone or with friends? In the morning, I like to walk on quiet streets. I listen to birds, see people going to work, and watch shops opening. The city slowly wakes up, and I enjoy the calm before the busy day begins. I often find a small cafe for breakfast. I like to sit near the window and watch people passing by. I order coffee, bread, and fruit and feel part of the city for a short moment. After breakfast, I start walking again. I look at buildings, old and new, and sometimes take pictures. Every corner looks different, and every street has a small story. Parks are my favorite places in big cities. They are green, peaceful, and full of life. People walk their dogs, children play, and everyone enjoys nature inside the city. Sometimes I visit markets. Markets are colorful and noisy. People sell fruits, clothes, and handmade things. I like talking to sellers and learning about local food and traditions. In new cities, I often use buses or trains. I like watching the city from the window. I see shops, schools, and houses. It helps me understand how people live there. I love visiting famous landmarks too. Some are old and beautiful. Others are modern and tall. Each one tells a story about the city's history and people. In the afternoon, I like to rest in a small park or by the river. I sit on a bench, read something, or just look around. The sound of the city mixes with nature and it feels peaceful. At night, everything changes. Lights come on, music starts, and people fill the streets. The city becomes alive in a new way, bright and full of energy. When I visit a new city, I always learn something, not only about the city, but also about myself. I learn to be patient, brave, and open to new experiences. Exploring new cities is not just travel, it's a way to grow, to see the world with new eyes, and to meet different people. Every new city teaches me something new. Do you learn new things when you travel? Tell me in the comments. Exploring is more than walking or taking pictures. It's about feeling, understanding, and enjoying every small detail. So, when you travel next time, take it slow, look around, and enjoy the moment. Do you take your time when you explore a new place? Well, that was all for today. Make sure to subscribe and share this video with your friends. Have a great day. Bye.